Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. My May Boxycharm by Ipsy came in the mail today, so today's video is going to be an unboxing. So if you guys want to see what is inside, then keep watching. As always, all the products that I mentioned are going to be linked down below, and I have everything pulled up on my computer right over here, so I can tell you guys what Ipsy picked for me and what I picked. I do have to say this month's choices were horrible, but the add-ons were phenomenal. I did 2 add-ons because they were so much better than the choices. They just made up for the choices. So let's unbox. Here is the inside. First product is the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask, and Ipsy chose this for me. I have a different Ahava mask and I really do like it, so I'm excited to try this one. My skin has been going through it. I typically have dry to normal skin, but because the weather is so hot one day and so cold the next, my skin is freaking out, and I've been getting dry, like kind of here on my cheeks a little bit and on the sides of my head. I don't know what's going on. So I am very excited to use this. Second product is this Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Good Cleanup Foam Cleanser, and I picked this. I've always kind of wanted to try Benefit's skincare. I just never have, and this seemed pretty good. This actually seems like it's good for double cleansing because it's supposed to be a pore purifying foam cleanser, so I'm excited to give it a try. Next product is this Jasmine Beauty Beachside Bronzer in medium, and I picked this. I'm really excited to use this. It is kind of dark. It looks lighter on camera because of my light that I have here, but I feel like all my bronzers are way too light. I'm excited to give this a try. If it doesn't work out, I can always use it as an eyeshadow. My last pick is this Beauty For Real Lip Revival Essential Hydration Serum Lipstick in Neutral Light. That is a mouthful. I've never heard of this brand before, so I thought I'd give it a try. This color just looks nice and neutral. This looks super creamy, and I like how just small and like sleek the packaging is. This is going to be perfect to add to my pocketbook collection of lippies. And the last product is this Polite Society Greatest Lashes of All Time Mascara in Beyond Black, and Ipsy chose this for me. I'm excited to try this. I've never tried Polite Society. Is this like Too Faced's old owner or whatever? I don't know how I like the wand because it's like a weird oval-y kind of shape, but this is what the wand itself looks like. It looks like it's really gonna separate your lashes. I'm excited to try it. I also love the color. It's like Cinderella blue. My first add-on is this Lawless Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss in the shade Violet Bloom. This is a soft orchid color. I am so excited for this shade. It just looks so pretty, and it looks like it's going to be so perfect for the spring and summer. I really love these lippies. Oh, that is really pretty. I have this shade Juicy Watermelon, and it just looks so pretty on the lips. I'm just so excited. I'm probably going to wear this tomorrow. And the second add-on that I purchased is this Ciate London I Am Woman 24 Shade Eyeshadow Palette. This palette is absolutely stunning. It has so many really pretty shades. I love the pops of purple. I cannot wait to use this. If you've never tried a Ciate palette, I highly recommend because they're so good. The shadows are so creamy. They're so pigmented, so easy to work with. They blend like a dream, and no one talks about them enough. I love them. The one downside is I don't love the packaging of their palettes. Most of them come in like a plastic kind of compact, and I find them very hard to open. I kind of need tweezers, but this one's just your typical cardboard, like the magnet. But I love their eyeshadows. And that is it for my May Boxycharm by Ipsy. I am excited to use all the products. Just like I said, the choices were not amazing this month. The add-ons were phenomenal. But I'm still excited for everything in the box. Let me know what you guys think of this month's box in the comments down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.